Aloha everyone, I'm Kim Ratliff in Hawaii, and like Tammy mentioned yesterday, we're going to be sharing some artwork and some free tutorials with everyone, all our ohana, and hopefully some new moms out there that need some ideas to keep their little ones busy. And we'll do a few for the grown-ups if they have some acrylics or they want to do a little advanced watercolor or something like that. So stay tuned and share. Make sure, share with your friends or whatever. And I'm sure everyone needs something to do. And this might be a little funny because we've never done this type of thing, and who knows what life's going to happen while we're instructing. So today I'm going to give you instructions on how to do this bubble water jellyfish. We're using watercolor, some soap and water, and a permanent marker, like the little Sharpie that Tammy was using yesterday. And I'm going to do the technique where we draw it out first and then do the painting. So, all right, bear with me. There we go. So we're gonna break this down into shapes, okay? So for this, the big jellyfish part here, we're gonna make like a big kind of bubble with a little curvy at the end. And then the edge of it is gonna be this wavy, irregular type of bottom part, maybe like some shine, reflective shine, and some squiggles to indicate the airiness of it. We're going to add these little feelies down here. It's just a bunch of dashes. Okay, so this is what I got so far. And then we're gonna do the big tentacles. So we're gonna go big squiggles. You probably shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. Smooth flowing. Maybe some like that. Okay, so I got that. So with these big squiggles, we're gonna do these irregular waves, squiggles, little, so big, little, big, little, maybe more bigger at the parts where it curves out. So I'm just gonna do 3. You can do more if you'd like. And this is just squiggles and lines. And it's okay if it's not perfect or whatnot. A jellyfish is very organic and constantly moving and is squishy, so there's a lot of forgiveness in this. A lot of forgiveness in this thing. Maybe we'll do some of these to indicate that bottom part where it kind of curves out. So I'll show you another look at this. You can pause it and freeze frame. Okay, now I'm gonna go on with this bubble water. So I've already added a brush load of paint and water and some soap. And I'm going to put the straw in here. So we've got a big bulbous clump of bubbles, and we're gonna drag it to the paper. Okay, I think that's a lot. And then we'll try to spread it out and just let them pop and do its thing right there on the paper. Try to spread it out a little bit. Oh, by the way, I did not cover what type of paper I'm using. This paper is, I don't think regular printer paper will withstand all this water. I am using a thicker paper that we had for printing like poster things, or if you do have watercolor paper, you can use that, and always keep a rag on hand. Okay, if you want less water on there, less color, more shape, you can try to blow the bubbles out and just place them all around the picture here. Okay, so we got that. This was a little heavy on the paint, so maybe not let that much overflow onto it, unless that's the look you want. This one's a little less, where I manually placed the bubbles on there. And then we're going to, I'm just using regular brush and regular watercolor, okay? And here's my water. And let's see, let's do some blue. So lots of water, blue. You can put it on the side. You can use the lid for a palette. So just add like a lot of water into this and keep dipping into this instead of here, right? So we're gonna just kind of like stay, it's kind of like coloring, staying in the lines, because we pre-did the drawing. And it's still a little wet from the bubbles. And then we'll do some purple over here, add some more water, a little purple. And I'm kind of like freestyling this today, like I'm not taping it down or anything. It's starting to crinkle up a little bit from the water, as Tammy had mentioned. It's up to you. You can tape it. There's nothing wrong with taping it down or not taping it down. But we're just keeping it casual today. And then maybe some purple down in here. We're just going to dab it in, and it's just going to spread. There you go. And you can pick any colors you want. You don't have to do it like green, blue, purple. You can pick whatever your favorite colors are. Let me just kind of fill in these guys. A little bit more. And this actually is the brush from the kit. Nothing fancy, no tricks. Just some casual painting and drawing. Let's see here. A little bit of that. Alright, now I'm going to do some blue and add some more without, I'll go along this guy. I'm going to add some more without these lines. Oh wow, that was really heavy. Maybe this one goes like through here, comes down. I'll have to go over that one now to make them even. They're all very dark. Okay. And then when this dries, this blue part, You can go in and just do these long lines at the curves. Just these curved lines at the curves. Because these are the ones without the thickness to it. And that's it. So share, and sharing is caring for those other moms out there and your art friends.